This is my beautiful 135i that I ended up building into a 1M clone in my driveway. Now I have no complaints about this car at all besides one major thing that makes me hate the car. That is the big old aux cord in 2026. We're gonna be swapping out this to that.
You're all a bunch of fucking assholes. You know why? You don't have the guts to be what you want to be. You need people like me.
What is good, y'all? Welcome back to another video. If you haven't checked out my last video, we picked up F80 interior, so make sure you go watch that in this top corner up right here. So I showed you guys previously in the other video that I've had it for a while. It's been long overdue. I absolutely hate having to use an aux cord in that car. CarPlay has like taken over the world. As long as my car got CarPlay, I'm happy. And today, that's the only thing that I completely dislike about having a 2008 135i. But we are gonna change that today, and just can't wait to put it in. One of the things that really stood out to me when I received this is the price. I got this for a little over $100, and the quality that it has on top of everything that it comes with, all the cords, even the tools to do the job, you don't really expect this type of quality from a $100 product. This is a great way to make your car feel a little bit more modern on a budget. The link will be in the description below. I honestly thought you had to trim this down, but honestly it just snaps right in, no issues. So when you turn this around, let me put this down so I don't bother it. You turn this around, this is going to be on the back, but you put this down in this area, covers this hole. Make sure you put it the right way. You stick this in like so. Wait, I think I got it the wrong way. Yeah, this way. It just snaps right into place, just like so, and it doesn't move. You do have to put this back. There's these like little notches that you have to stick this end in, and for it to sit properly. And then you grab the screwdriver that it came with, screw it down, and she ain't going nowhere. OEM plus right there. This kit is actually perfect quality, but now we just got to literally figure out what wires go to what. I don't want GPS on this thing because I'll be using CarPlay all the time, and I also do not want, I don't need the back. Did this come with a backup camera? No, I don't think so. I don't want USB. I don't want the 4G BS. I just want it to connect up Bluetooth to my phone every time with CarPlay. Basically, look at the manual real quick and figure out which wires go what, and it should be plug and play after that. My Dremel actually broke, so I used this, and you guys please be careful if you do use this to see. I got it down a little bit. Hopefully that's enough to get by. I didn't want to go too crazy with that being a bigger blade, and like I can't control the speed on my own, so I was literally like, I tap it a little bit, and then like, yeah, it's basically the safest way I could do it. And we got it shaved down a bit. Hopefully it fits now. Weird thing is, guys, you guys can see my infotainment system, and it has like no plugs for these. So hopefully we install this and like all of it works, because like I'm missing, like I don't have none of it here, so I'm assuming I don't use this. There is this little black cord I need to plug into this that I have right here. Now I have the main part of the harness connected right here, and even this is like, yo, like what's plugging into what? After about 10 minutes, I finally figured it out. Wait, there is a square box. One second, let me see if I can find that. Yeah, okay, So there's this square box that plugs in like so. So that's connected to this. But where does this say I plug? Right. Alright, we're just gonna have to turn this on and make sure it works. I think the car's battery's dead. Yeah, definitely dead. We gotta pull in the truck. Reasons like this is exactly why your boy got a truck. Any inconvenience that pops up, kind of like this one, just pull this bad boy right up, jump this thing. I knew this battery pack was low-key kinda dead. I didn't know it was that dead. It was reading 12.7, but didn't get the job done. And we have to see, this is the cause to why the radio is not starting up. Because I don't really start this car often, especially all winter, so the battery probably drained out. Not sure how, but it definitely did. Let's get this side hooked up. That power's on. But not, oh wait, there goes the screen. So we might be good. Android is starting. I hope it doesn't have a long ass boot up like this from the get-go. But okay, so for the most part it's working. So yeah. And I can hear the music. Alright, I think we're good. Now the music sounds bad because I need to swap out my speakers. My speakers has always been like that. So don't think it's playing like that because there's radio. It's definitely not. This is how my music has been in this car. Oh yeah. Alright, I ain't trying to get copyrighted. Alright, so at least we know it works. So boom. Alright, bet. Alright boys, got it installed. Man, this actually looks so good. I love it. It's responsive. It's nice. The only thing I don't like is that buttons do not work on the steering wheel. But honestly, you could just up, down, and then power just mutes everything. But super quick, easy install. It honestly didn't even take that long. It only took like a couple minutes. This was pretty cheap. So if you actually want CarPlay in your car, this is a great option, and it looks pretty good too. I'm gonna keep that little screen protector on it because I don't want to mess it up. Honestly though, guys, I definitely need to spice up this interior a little bit. The last owner wrapped all these interior trims. I do not like it. I don't like the fake carbon. I would opt for the real carbon. Definitely want to get rid of that wood trim. That's ass. And you guys can see the gray interior in this car is all dirty and whatnot. So I definitely would like to swap out this interior. Well, not really swap it out, but I think I'm gonna do the same thing I said on the wagon. I'm gonna remove all these vents because you guys can see the vents are dirty on both sides. So I figured if I have to swap out all these speakers, because I do have the speakers to swap out, I might as well do all this interior trim one time and just be done with it. Spray it black, just like the wagon. I love black interior, man. So spray it all black, call it a day, and probably order new visors. Guys, I can't wait to drive this damn car, man. I haven't been in a stick shift, like fast little car in so long. I just been driving the truck, and honestly, your boy is tired of that. But I should have changed out this steering wheel. I put the blue stripe like an idiot. I should have got red. Oh, in this box is the speakers. I got a set off eBay, and it's literally the whole set for the car. So I have all this to swap out, but I figured, you know what, if I'm gonna be tearing apart that headliner and stuff and painting it, I might as well wait. But yeah, guys, a couple videos ago I told you guys that I found a couple problems with this car. So I have already ordered a new coolant reservoir. It's like 50 bucks on eBay. You guys can see. It has a leak going on right there. Let's pop the cap off. Yeah, bone. Well, not bone dry. It has a little bit in there. Good thing I got coolant, but I'm not gonna obviously fill it up until that new reservoir comes in. You guys can see that I have oil all over the front of this engine, and you can see literally right here, I don't know how I never noticed this, if this could pick it up, that the gasket is like literally pinched right there. You guys can see that, literally pinched. So yeah, I already ordered a new gasket. It's on its way. FCP Euro, gonna be a couple of days, and hopefully, you know, I bang all that out, and yeah, we have a nice running car. I've been looking, and I'm seriously interested in getting rid of these twins, the twin setup. Definitely want to go big single. Let me know what single turbo kits I should put on this N54. I've been thinking about upgrading this, but I also want to add the 1M auxiliary radiator, just so this has something to bolt up to instead of just hanging there. I don't really like that. I was gonna upgrade all these coolant hoses, but it doesn't seem like they're that bad, so I won't make it a priority, but I'll eventually still do it. Yeah, my birthday is this weekend, so I'm not sure if I want to exactly work on it this weekend, but we'll see. Like I keep saying in the videos, I have tons of content coming for you guys. I'm literally being consistent. I'm about to get this video out for you guys, but also I ordered a couple things for the wagon as well. I ordered the shifter and the adapter from Beamer Hub to run the F80 shifter, so that should be here soon. I got other things on the way. It's gonna keep the ball rolling, but that will be it for today's video. I appreciate you guys tuning into it, and I will see you guys in the next one.